Hey everyone, it's Mimsy. I'm going to show you real quick how I made this wood door into a Dutch door. It's a door that at one point was probably an exterior door to my house. It's the door that now goes between my house and my workroom. And I took it outside and put it on a couple sawhorses, supported it real well all the way down with some 1x, and just basically cut it in half. I took the door handle off so I could get past it, marked it off, and cut it pretty evenly between the door handle and the bottom of the glass. So it's a little close to the glass, but that's the way it had to be. And when I started this project, I wasn't sure it was even going to work because I didn't know how the door was held together inside, if there were biscuit joints or how it was held together. So going into this, I thought it might actually ruin the door. But turns out it worked. It's still totally solid. I hung it back up. It originally had 3 hinges on the entire door, so of course I had to go buy another hinge in order to put 2 hinges on the bottom and 2 hinges on the top, because obviously you can't just have one hinge on one half. It wouldn't hang straight. It would be too heavy. So there it is hanging up, and I put the extra hinge on it already, and somehow it hangs perfectly. Oh, I also added on a little shelf at the top on both sides of the bottom half, like you see in a lot of Dutch doors. So you see there the little shelf that I made. And I attached that shelf with pocket hole screws. I used my Craig jig and put some pocket holes. And there's the hinges. 2 hinges on the top of the door and 2 hinges on the bottom. Obviously the black one's the newly bought hinge. The other ones have been painted over I don't know how many times in this old house. So that's my DIY Dutch door, and I'm super happy with it. It was a really easy project. It took me maybe an hour to bring it to outside, cut it, bring it back in, rehang it, put the new hinges on it. It was really